Assalamualaikum friends. Assalamualaikum viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video I will share some creative handbags and denim handbag ideas I will share you. So I hope you like my videos. So let's start to videos. Amazing denim handbags viewers. All jeans gone turn into something distinct. Transform your denim into trendy handbag from cute class to stylish. Add lace buttons or fabric flowers for that unique handmade touch. Denim never goes out of style, so why not carry a piece of creative with you every day? Simple, stunning, and oh so stylish. All jeans, don't throw them away. Turn them into gorgeous denim handbags. Add beads, patchwork or lace for a one-of-a-kind design. Trendy, friendly and totally you. Elegant and modern tone. Denim handbags are more than fashion, they are art. Each stitch, each details tell a story of creative and style. For minimalist denim totes or two-walled patchwork purse, these designs are simple, durable, and effortless. Cool style meets in the most beautiful way. Fun and dry Christmas crafts style grabs these all jeans and let's make something amazing. Cut, swing and decorate and watch your denim handbags comes to life. Add dressless buttons or colorful lining for a personal twist. It's fun, creative and the perfect upcycling project for any weekend. Fashion blogger style denim, but make it fashion viewers. And from a cute crossbody bags to oversized denim, these handbags are in the spotlight. And with your favorite outfit for that street style vibe. Fashion has never looked this good. Carry confidence and denim. So viewers, इसमें 3 इशू पड़ा है इसमें. So viewers, इसी में करने लिखा था मैंने. Weavers and trendy fashions, denim handbags are the new